Oh, he's back! Hi friends, got a couple of things to do today. I want to do that if possible, and with this one I've added that bit onto the back of it, so I think that's the rivets what was on there originally. Not originally, when Wayne had it, because of the marks underneath, so I haven't done them up tight. They're pushed in, so it should hold there for when we do the casting. What we need is this flask, I think. Where can you go? Where do you want to go? You want to go up there? I'll sit you up there then. I was busy yesterday, I had to do that racking over there, which is not finished, but it probably will be today. Because I'm a working man, I am. Right, stop shaking please. Right, zoom in. We're just going to flask up. Oh, alloy wheels. We're going to flask up now and we'll take it from there. So I'll just leave that on for 4 minutes. You don't want to watch it. There you go, health and safety. Well, I gotta get rid of them, so we just will do it now. Melties. I'm building a new foundry, so I gotta do it like that for the moment. As you see, it works quite well, so there's no shouting and screaming. He's not on. Talking like a woman there. She's not on full throttle yet, but as you see, we have red. Conditions are red. £10 pump. Oil can. But for some reason I tap fitted the threads, even though I know these are oh, what they call it. British stand, no, it's a tapered thread, so it did fit in there quite well. I filled up the outside with dross, so the bottom of that is probably full of aluminium. So all is well, all's going good. Well, that's nearly, the wheel is nearly gone. I mean, I did time it once, it takes 14 minutes. All we gotta do is dross it off. So we gotta put that in there. Simple as in there. Let's do it. both ends, ins and outs. That opens up like that, so we can put the hottie thing on there. I'll put you up there. You like it up there, don't you? Tell by the look in your eye. You mustn't forget, I screwed it, didn't I? We'll let that sand cool out of it, and we'll do the Wayne Ellis Land Rover. Hey, look at that gorgeous looking fella. He's got possibilities, I think. Them black bits are just purely sand. So by the time I machine that up to look pretty, which is really only the top, that's the top there, that's the only part we're going to look pretty. And you have actually got that name on there. It is on there, but we will end up losing it. But let me cut these stems off. Right, where are you, my loyal and decent mates? Want to see it? Do you want to see it? I'm asking you. Ba-ding. We'll try and get rid of these on the miller now, these titties. Right, I want to get rid of that sheep, and I want to do an house brick, a gold bar, a bullion type bar looking. Chuff with that. That's really nice. There's the ridge. That one, and there's that one. Good hour's work, eh? Thank you for watching. All done. Technicolor.
Thank you.